Hello everyone. This video I am going to show you how to create the different menu on different pages in WordPress. Sometimes people would like to create the different menu layout on different pages. For example, if you have a 5 menu item on the home page and you would like to show the product page only on 3 menu items. This situation, how can you show the different menu on different pages? Let's learn how you can set up this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my website, I have 6 menu items: about, services, blog, gallery and contact. So if I would like to go to service page, this should be shows only for home, service and contact. So this service menu, I would like to hide the blog and gallery. So we have to go to WordPress admin. Then you have to go to plugin and click on the add new plugin. Here you have to search the duplicate menu. You have to install the duplicate menu. Then you have to activate. Then you have to go to menus. Here we have to create the one more menu as service menu. Then you have to remove the blog and gallery. So we have to go to appearance. Under the appearance, you have to click on the duplicate menu. We have to duplicate this service page menu. Then you have to click duplicate menu. Then you have to go to menus. Here you have to select the service page menu. Here you have to remove the blog and gallery. So you have to save this. You should not select anything here. Then you have to click on save menu. Now you have to select the header menu and select. Here all menu has been displayed. So now we have to add the conditional menu. If you go to the service page, then the service menu should be open. So we have to install the one more plugin called conditional menu. Here you have to search conditional menu. We have to click on install. Then you have to activate the conditional menu. So now we have to go to appearance and menus. Then you have to go to manage location. See the header menu as a default. Then you have to select the service page menu. The service page menu, we have to click on the conditions. Then you have to go to pages. The pages you have to select finance, contact, about, debt management. These are the service sub pages. Then you have to click on save. Then you have to save the changes. So now you have to go to home. Now the 6 menu has been displayed on the home page. Now you have to go to service menu. See here, only 4 menu has been displayed. You can click on the sub menus. Here also we have only 4 menus. If you go to home, then the 6 menu has been displayed. So in this way, you can create the different menu on different pages in WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.